How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So let's get started by taking you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here, type the United States, which is the country we are going to target in today's explanation, and wait for it to load. Then here, zoom in on the United States. So here you can choose whatever city or state you'd like to start with. For example, I'm going to choose Florida or Georgia in here, and I'm going to choose a city in Georgia. Let's choose Columbus, for example. So here I'm going to choose Columbus, and let's go to the search again, and here let's type some kind of a small business like hair salons, auto repair shops, plumbers, or gyms. But before that, we are going to talk about the three services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So you are going to check if they have a website or not. If not, we are going to offer to create one for them. And the second service is the removing the bad reviews from their profile. So we are going to check if there are any bad reviews in the profile, and we are going to offer to remove those bad reviews for them. And the third service is the social media accounts managing. So here, let's search for a small business gym, for example, and let's wait for it to load. So here we have a lot of gyms shown up. So guys, in order to find the best or the businesses with the highest rate of working with us, or the highest rate of purchasing our services, make sure always to choose the ones with less than 150 reviews, and also the ones with no sponsored written in their profile, like this one, for example, body evaluation or body evaluation. So here let's check their profile to see what are all of the services that we can offer them. So here let's scroll down, and they already have a website. So let's check their website to see if it would need any renovations or not. So here the website is up to dated, won't need any renovations, and this is their services. So this website is very new, it won't need any renovations. Let's check their Instagram to see if they would need any social media accounts managing. So here, from these icons or these highlights, it seems like they already have someone managing their social media accounts, so they won't need that service as well. So we are left with the service of removing the bad reviews from their profile. So here let's scroll down to see if we can find some 1-star or 2-star reviews that we can use in order to convince them to buy our service. So here click on more reviews to see the other or all the reviews. Wait for it to load, and here let's scroll down. We have the 5-star reviews in here. 5-star, still the 5-star reviews. Let's keep scrolling until we find a 1-star review, which would be very helpful. Here 5-star reviews as well. We are still looking for the 1-star review. Here the 5-star, So guys, we need to find that 1-star review, and as we saw in the review summary, they don't have that much bad reviews or that much 1-star reviews. They have a lot of 5-star reviews and some 4-star reviews, but I guess they have a 1 or 2 1-star reviews, and that's what we are looking for. Because you can just, if you just take a screenshot of that 1-star review, it will be very helpful when it comes to convincing them to buy our services. So here, let's just keep scrolling down until we find that 1-star review. So here only the 5-star reviews, still the 5 stars. So that's all that they have in this profile. They don't have, this is the only 1-star review that they have, and there is not even a comment or something like that. So we can't use that one. We need a 1-star review with a comment in it. So we can only offer them, we can't, this profile, we can't offer them any service. So let's just close this profile and let's move on to the next one. This one has more than 150 reviews. Same thing with this one, same thing. And here, Anytime Fitness is a gym brand, a gym brand in the United States. They have fitnesses all over the country, so we can't go for this one. Same thing with this again, same thing here. And this is what we are going to go for, Destiny Fitness of Columbus. And here, by scrolling down, this is their website. Let's see if their website would need any renovations. So here, it seems like they only have this in the website, so we can offer to make some changes to their website for sure. And let's scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews that we can use in order to, and here we have our first bad review from a year ago. I love Destiny Fitness, it is my gym, blah blah blah. So this is a bad review that we can use in order to convince the business owner to purchase our second service. And as I said guys in the beginning, you won't need to learn any skill. The only thing you will need to do is to land the client or to get him to pay you from $100 to $150. Then you would go to Fiverr.com, which is a platform where you can hire freelancers to deliver those kind of services to you. So here, let's wait for it to load. Here, still waiting for it to load. Then let's scroll down, and you can hire this freelancer for $25 to remove the reviews for you, and you can hire this other freelancer for $80 to build the website. And if you got paid $150, you will pay these freelancers a total of $105, and you can keep the rest as profit. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.